Here we are at Farm Day. Chelsea's gonna try out the tractor. All right, Chelsea, hop up there, girly. All right, this is my city girl. Yeah, I'm not really sure if she knows what she's doing. Okay, guys, let me see. Hang on a minute. Let me see if I can do both. Ready? Girl on tractor. Okay, I'm gonna give you this and you can talk to your little Perry peeps.
Okay guys, I'm on a tractor. Like, on a tractor. So, if you wanted to know what it's like to be on a tractor, here's what it looks like from the driver's perspective. You've got these little gears. Here's the pedals. Don't ask me what the heck any of them do, but you know, they do stuff. Here's your wheels. Here's all your little gauges, crap stuff. Some more stuff. Y'all, I'm a city girl. I don't know what I would do with this thing. Yeah, I know it. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this thing. My mom said to wave at her, and I just waved her like I'm in a beauty pageant. So, yep, John Deere. Yep, there. Oh, I'm in another picture. Don't get much more southern than that.